Hi, I'm Paczynski from the Prairie Grass Nature Museum and Round Lake Area Park District, and today I'm going to show you how you can plant a vegetable garden. Down here I'll show you, I took out, this area was full of perennial plants that I didn't want here anymore, so I took them out and put them somewhere else, and now I have added these things to the soil. I added some sand because the soil was really heavy, compost, which is here, and some topsoil. A really good gardener would have had their soil tested and amended it very carefully. This is what I think is a good generic thing to help loosen up the soil and make it ready for planting. Over here I'm ready to put in some plants. I'm going to start with planting some peas. I'm going to put the peas against the wall because they grow about 24 inches tall. This particular one, thank you to the Round Lake Area Garden Club, is Sugar Daddy Snap Peas, and they're supposed to go 6 inches apart. I'll put them in this line that I hoed out and cover them with soil. So I'll just cover these with soil. They'll be about an inch underneath. Some peas require a trellis or support. These ones do not. In my next area of planting in front of the peas, I have green peppers, a tomato plant, and some basil. Tomato and basil grow well together. The pepper plants are supposed to be about 10 inches apart, so I'm going to use a block formation and just put them approximately 10 inches apart in a square. If you get container grown plants like this from your nursery, all you have to do is push on the bottom to release the plant. Make a little hole. Make sure that the depth is about the same as it was in the container. Firm the soil around and then water them in well. Next, I'm going to plant this tomato plant. Tomatoes are unusual because they will actually grow roots along this stem, so I can plant it deeper than it is in this container. So for this tomato, I want to plant it as deep as its first set of leaves. So I'll dig a hole right here. Make sure that it's going to fit right in there. Gently firm the soil around it. And after I'm done, I'll give all the plants a nice drink. So next is the basil. In this particular pot, there are actually 6 stems of basil. So I'm going to gently tease those plants into 3 chunks and plant them each separately. There's one. 2 and 3. So they should be all right. If they get watered carefully and there's not too much bad cold weather and the sun shines, they'll still grow. Every garden needs some onions, and I've selected these at a nursery. These are little tiny bulblets that you can plant. They'll mature, and then in the fall you would harvest the onions. I chose to put the onions here because the peas are about 24 inches tall. Same with the green peppers, but the onions only grow about a foot tall, so they go right in front of the other plants. Put them in 3 inches deep, cover them with soil, water, and they grow very well. So this lettuce is a romaine type of lettuce, and it is to be placed 12 inches apart. A little trick I did was I drew lines every 12 inches on my shovel to help me when I have situations like this. Pop it out, gently place it in the hole, firm the soil, and that's all it takes. Because every garden needs some flowers, I'm just going to put along the front some marigolds. Marigolds have a reputation for keeping away pests, and they can also bring in pollinators, which will help pollinate the plants that require it.